Alright, we have news from Michigan. Today there is a court hearing in which a judge will decide whether to expand the audit or to shut the case down completely. Alright, now, a man named Matt DePerno stated 3 things that have been found in Michigan. The first of which being 1,061 phantom ballots were discovered in Antrim County, which basically just means that that's the amount of ballots that did not show up in state records, alright? And the second point was a nearly 100% turnout rate between the ages of 65 and 80, which is very unlikely to happen. And the last point being 20.3% of all ballots sent to P.O. boxes, and let me tell you a little secret, that's illegal in Antrim County, you can't do that. So, this is some pretty major stuff, and for the trolls out there, no, they did not just pull these numbers out of thin air, this is a legitimate thing. Alright, and the first point that was made with the phantom ballots, that could actually help explain what happened back in December when volunteers were told to count over 130 ballots that appeared to have the exact same signature on them, and that was during the quote-unquote audit of votes in Antrim County. But you want to know what they told them? They told them that now is not the time for investigation. They said, yeah, we know you have concerns, but go ahead and count them and we'll figure it out later. And that's actually been caught on video, and I've seen it a while back, but in case you haven't, here you go.
Counts, because if we don't have the counts, then we can't move forward. And we understand that there is a concern with this precinct, that this is not a time for you to be investigating right now.
Did you find something else?
This is a time for you. No. So you need to move forward with the audit so we can get the numbers, so we can see how many ballots are here.
But wait, okay, so when we're done with the audit, there is still the opportunity to challenge the fact that we have multiple ballots with the very same signature.
I don't know if challenge is the right word, but until we
We're
get...
challenging.
We'll go ahead and count the ballots.
Right, we need you to move forward.
But we will separate out and count those and add those in. But there's going to be an asterisk saying these ballots have the same thing.
And again, we know that you have a concern with this precinct, and as soon when you get done with the audit part of it, not an investigation, not counting, that's not your role right now, this very minute. So what I need you to do is complete the audit so we can get a number of how many ballots were in this can when you started counting, and we can move forward from there. Okay, so what I need for you guys to do right now is to finish the audit process.
We'll have a number.
We'll have a number. We can't
Separate them out.
whether valid or invalid. We'll have
That is not the process right now. The process right now is for you to put them in the piles where they belong, and for the presidential vote, and count the presidential votes. We understand that there is possibly an issue with this precinct. We understand that. But what I need for you to do right now is to finish the presidential race audit, not separate them out, and then we'll move forward from there, okay? But I need you to continue the process right now, please.
You realize that the former state representative had issues with counting ballots that may be invalid.
I understand, but until we get a count, we need that piece done first. We need the audit piece done first because that's why we're here. And we will look at the numbers, okay? And I understand that there may be an issue. And I understand your concerns. So if we can complete the audit piece right now,
Okay.
then we can move forward, okay? Thank you.
So there's that, and based on all these findings, DePerno is demanding that a complete audit happen. And like I said, the court hearing is today in which a judge will decide whether to expand the audit or to shut the case down. And that's basically it there until we know more. So with that said, go ahead and subscribe and hit the post notification bell. You will be notified when new videos drop and you will be up to date and informed. Also, be sure to leave a like and a comment and share these videos with as many people as you possibly can. More people need to know what's happening, so go ahead and do that. And most importantly, have a great day. Snowflake Syndrome, signing off.